Everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators, and this is the market update for Thursday, January 20th, 2022. So you can see that the selling pressure on the stock market had continued today. The Nasdaq composite is down over 9% year to date. Okay, to today, which marked the third worst start of the calendar year with a data going back to 1977. Although many Nasdaq composite stocks, they are trading near a washout territory, so based on this correction, but we expect to see the future buying opportunity for a lot of stocks. So if you take a look at the overall market, let's look at the S&P 500, immediate S&P 500. You can see that the market, it continued to break down, and then they continue to push it back up. So right now, we have the important level that the market needs to hold up, okay, to keep the bull continue to the upside. So two things right now, the market is very close to the support, which is a long-term moving average here. So if this one, it can hold them up, and the market it still have a chance to put it up and find a way to the upside again. But if they fail to this level of support here, then it means that the market will get into the bear mode. Okay, hopefully by tomorrow, the market will be stabilized and find a way up. The reason is because this week is the option expiration week, so the market maker, they will do whatever it takes to wipe out for a lot of people that they try to buy option in the wrong date. Okay, so that's why you have to be careful when the option expiration date. The market tend to choppy, and they put it as much they can, so they can wipe out all of the amateur option trader. Okay, so let's see. After tomorrow, the market should be stabilized, and then let's see, they can find out a support here and find a way up, and then we will see it in the tomorrow or next week. Okay, and take a look on the Nasdaq, which is the worst one. They have been pulled back very deep here. They fall below the support, right? So right now, this is a level of support they need to hold up. But if they fail, continue to go down, and we're looking for the next level of support in this range here. Okay, so let's see they can hold on and don't drop below this level, and then the market is still have a chance to snap back. Okay, the Russell 2000, they break the long support line here, so they are in the bearish mode right now. So in the downside, we have a strong support in this area here. So let's see, this level can hold them up. Okay, but the overall trend of the Russell 2000 is very bearish. Okay, so hopefully they can hold up at this level like we told you last time. And look at the Dow Jones Industrial Average. They coming down, but again they are still pretty strong. Okay, they hold up at this level, so we'll see that this level is the last support here. They need to hold up and pull it back up. Okay, so again, we need to see after tomorrow or by half day tomorrow. Let's see the market be able to snap back and the buyer step back in or not. Otherwise, we have to be careful because the market is kind of choppy. So it's a lot of talk in the red right now. If you look at the crude oil, it's very bullish. However, they get into the sell zone here, so overall trend is still bullish, but in the short term they may be too extended. So time to take some profit off the table and wait for them to pull back before they can move on again. Gold, it also try to find a way to snap back on the top, but they still have a strong resistance here. Okay, so this is the area that you have to watch out to see that they be able to punch to it. If they can get up, break out, and they go more bullish, but if they fail here, they will pull back again. Look at the Bitcoin. Bitcoin is still choppy today. They could hold on to the support, so they pull back down. But the this is a deep correction here, but the level of support is still down below here. So let's see they can hold on to this level and find a way up. Um, the Ethereum, it also still in choppy in this area. So let's see it. Unless they break out this downtrend line, otherwise it's still choppy in this area. But they are probably very close to the support area here. Okay. Now let's take a look on the other, the 11 sector of the SP 500 to see what they are doing right now. So you see that a lot of sectors they couldn't make it higher, they all going down. So right now they have a strong support at this level here. If they fail to hold up, they will get back there to test it. But communication service is still below the downtrend line, so technically it's still bearish there. The energy sector, that's the only sector very strong, but time to take the profit if you hold those stock because they will pull back down shortly here too. Financial sector, it also have a trouble with a lot of earnings. They couldn't make it higher, so a lot of stock that they fell out. Except a couple of stocks that we talking earlier, even a good earning, but the people still taking the profit because when the market going down, okay, nothing can hold them up. And if you look at the industrial, it also cannot break through the sell zone, so they continue to put it back down. So they still have a support here at this level here. The technology is the worst one. So technology, XLK, it continue to go down. You can see that a lot of the main one is semiconductor, and a lot of big cap stock, they also fall off the cliff. So it continue to put it back to the downside. So we're looking for a support around this area here. That's where probably they will snap back and hold on to this level here. That's the key level for the long term, the bull to hold up in the upside. Okay, consumer stable, it's pretty strong, but like I told you last week, people too fast, people will take profit, and now they start pull back down for the profit taking right now. The real estate is also in trouble here with the inflation of the interest rate go higher, so less people buy house, and they give it less refinance, so they are in trouble too. So right now we're looking for support in this area there. The utility that try to hold on to it, but it's still below the downtrend line there. The healthcare sector, it also break down, cannot hold on to the support and continue to going down. So most of the stock either they will file the support at long-term support here. Okay, so they hold this one in the past. So let's see they can hold up this one this time. Okay, the consumer discretionary is right at the tick here. So it's the important level for them to hold up like before. So yet wait for up to tomorrow. Let's see how they are doing here. But if everything is break below here, that could be a major punch to this level, and more seller will coming in. So you have to watch out carefully there. All right. So as you can see that right now, all the big cap stock, which is a strong core holding for SP 500, is still going down. So the Apple, they drop below here. So let's see they can file a support somewhere over here. If they miss it, they can go down to this level if the market it really turns south. Okay. Amazon is another break level of support. Okay. So the next level of support is over here. So we'll see it, how they are going to do that. So if they can hold up the support, they still have a chance to rebound. Facebook, that's another big one here. They continue to hit to the support area here. Okay. Google, that's another big one. But the Google still hold up very strong here. Let's see. This level they hold up before, but now it's a little bit more bearish. So we need to see that they can hold on to it, or they will continue to the downside there. Also, Microsoft, that's another strong one. This one is still look like this is a strong area of support for Microsoft here. So in the next couple of here, we will see that the market probably will try to hold on to this support here. Okay, and Netflix after earning, I think they are continue to drop to the bottom right now. Ooh, so this one here they already dropped it 100 point after hour. So this one it continue to go to the downside. Okay, all right. So I think look at the overall market. You will see it. They are a little bit choppy, correction to the downside. However, I still believe that the 200-day moving average and this area here, it still be a strong support area for the market. So let's see how they lay out, and then we will take a look and looking for a lot of good opportunity will coming up, and that's where you can find a lot of good discount stock, and then you can start buy up again. Okay. All right, so thank you for watching, and I will see you on the weekend video update. Take care, everyone.